This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Sahel Naimi. Under construction, estimated completion date November 15, 2020. Lovely Aberdeen floor plan with finished bonus room. Master suite and 2 bedrooms on main level with 2 full baths. Bonus room upstairs with full bath. Kitchen and baths have granite and master bath has tiled shower. Kitchen and dining area are open to the great room with fireplace. Hardwoods in living area downstairs, carpet in bedrooms and bonus, tile in all baths. Lawn maintenance is included in HOA fees along with clubhouse and pool. Annualized HOA fee is billed in January and payable by March 31st. Buyer to verify square footage. Photos are of similar sold floor plan. For more information, review the